welcome back to my channel. And it's our departure day today. So we are leaving Austria and heading back to Germany. So before we will be back home, I will do a house tour for you. So this is the apartment that we were staying for this summer vacation here in Austria. So the city or the village, the village, whatever, is called, the name of the city is Landal. So Landal Green-Park 9 Landal Kleinkirchheim, and we are staying in Landal Green-Park, something like that. So they have also different parks all over Europe, and one of those is here in Austria. So first is here is the main door. So upon entering is you will see the mirror here. So, and then this apartment has 3 rooms, 2 bedrooms and 1 living room, and together with the kitchen. So here is the living room. So as you can see, there are 2 sofas that can be converted into a bed. So basically this apartment is good for 6 persons, and it's for family with 4 kids or with friends that wanted to stay here. So this is the living room. For me, it's spacious. So here is the dining table. As you can see, it's also spacious. It's really good for 6 persons, and that's all our things. We are already packing. We are ready. So this is the kitchen, and as you can see, what's nice here is that you can also cook. I'm confused. So you can cook. You have your stove here, and you have also your dishwasher. So everything is also included here. Everything, the utensils and all the plates here. There are a lot of cupboards that you can stock, or the store where you can store your food. And here is the microwave. There's also a refrigerator. It's a big one, and here's the freezer. And yes, I like this apartment. It's big, you have enough space, and you can also enjoy, you have flexibility. And yeah, so next is we're going to the master's bedroom. So the master's bedroom is here. It's where's the here. So this is the master's bedroom. So you can see, in here on the window you have a nice overview outside. Here the mountain and down. So that's where the reception in the middle. Yeah. So this is the view from our master's bedroom. So there's also cabinet where you can place a closet where you can place your things. So, and the bed, in a painting over the bed hang on the wall. So there is also two side tables there. And then for the kids, I have two kids, so they have also their own bedroom. They have separate beds. So here they have also a closet where they can comfortably place their things. Here, as you can see. So the view from here, it's not really so nice, and like on the master bed, in the master's bedroom, here is at the back side of this building. And then of course we have a comfortable bathroom. It's a big bathroom. So we have here a shower cabin. We don't have a bathtub, but that's okay because I don't have time also to enjoy. We have two lavage here and mirrors, but the problem with this mirror is a little bit higher compared than my height. So I'm wearing a wedge sneaker right now. That's why I could see my face exactly in the mirror, but normally it's only up here of my eyes. So here, this is the floor, and here is the CR. So there's one CR and the lavage. And then I forgot to share it to you that we have also here our balcony. So we have here, I wasn't able to enjoy this balcony because most of the time we were out, and for 3 days it was raining. And yeah, so this is the back view. It's the mountain and the forest, and it's nice here if you want to just relax and unwind and reflect on the things that you wanted to do for the next season because it's the end of the summer season here. So it's nice. It's the weather is cool here. When you will stay here, you will have really a nice time to just think and just what I said, reflect. So this house has 3 floors, and there are 6 apartments. No, 6, 12 I think. 12 apartments. So, and this is the surrounding. That is so yan na guys, tapos na tayo sa house tour natin. I hope you have enjoyed, and if you do, please do hit the like button, and please comment down below, and if you didn't subscribe yet, consider also subscribing. Thank you very much. Bye.
Schön, wenn die noch einmal